So today we're going to cover up T-Bird 10636 and uncover T-Bird 112 951. Now for those of you who've been following along in Spoken Torque, this is what I did the other day. Here's of course the left door. You can see where the gap isn't quite right from hitting that center post several years ago. But what I did was took the door panel off, adjusted the tilt of this vent window frame, tilted it backwards and then slightly inwards, and it fit perfect. And the door opens and closes better. After that, just readjusted the up stop over here for the glass, and it fits almost like new. Let's see if we get any mice in here. I see a little bit of dust. There's a nest over there past that door frame. Cleared it out last year, but came back. And basically crawling along the frame up here over the cars and then jumping down or what have you, getting in the cars in various spots. It did pop off hard since being fixed, but it's less hard since I adjusted it. Don't see anything new again. No new mouse. Oh wait, what's that? I think that's just dirt from my feet. Horn still works. After I fixed the ground wire and the coupler again, the third time. Did need a headliner. Not really needs a headliner from last year. Damn mice. Door closes easier too. Before, when the window was adjusted, it wouldn't latch completely unless you slammed it. Now you barely have to just easily close it. Well, maybe you still do have to slam it a little, but it closes better now. So we'll lock that up. I gotta check the trunk too. Nothing in the trunk that I can see after I clean it again. Let's see behind this trunk line here. That's where they were before once. Nope, still clean pretty much. And this is the original trunk liner. Missing a few screws, but it's the original. And the original trunk with label for the jacking instructions. Close that up. Shake this cover up, make sure there's no mice in it. And we'll pull the cover off the other car.